The sunset bleeds out into the sea and seeps into oily black film. Let's go and stomp the overgrown cliff and muddle through mud in the night to glimpse the salamanders and toads with phosphorus fungus for light. I want to emphasize my big boots and rub in the dubbing just right. Advancing through branches by field, ghostly gleam penetrating the gloom, the roomy old squint in the sky. She slashes mercury tinted clouds, infusing the glistening leaves. I want to emphasize my big boots and rub in the dubbing just right. Big boots. The shoreline arcs a pale glowing rib, a rumbling mumble below. Push till we hang from sheer precipice, entangled in dangling salal. The surf's relentless fury unfurls and shudders the bones of the beach. I want to emphasize my big boots and rub in the dubbing just